Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a new video for you all. How you all are doing? I hope every one of you is safe and sound at their homes. So this is what we did last week, and today we are gonna do a gond painting, and this is gonna be something like this, and I'll show you everything about this painting. So just get started. Okay guys, as you can see, this is something very much related to Madhubani painting, like the one we did here last time. So much of background and minute details and patterns here and there. Like this one is also a Madhubani painting. As you can see, there's a lot of bold colors and nice patterns outside. If you want to check this out, you can go on my Instagram. I have given the link here, the art cake. And do make sure to follow me on my Instagram as well, and please, those who have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel also if you love to. Okay guys, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm taking this A5 size sheet, but you can take this kind of A4 sheet as well if you have. This is the something I'm doing, but it's still under process. I'm gonna finish it later, but it's on you. Whatever size you want to choose, it's on you. So I'm using this A5 size paper. So what I'm gonna do here is, first of all, we'll draw some raw pattern. So these are the pens that I'm using, and if you guys want to check the links or you want to buy these, you can go on in the description in my video below, and I have put on all the links to my different stuff that I use, material that I use here, all these pen markers, the paint markers, the colors, and every fine liners, everything, every description is in there. The link is there. You go and click on that link and you'll find all the details of different materials, because so many of you keep asking what kind of pens you use, what kind of markers you use. So I'm now on, I have already given all the different links and description in the description below on this video. You can go and check that out. Okay guys, I'm making some raw sketch here. So first of all, I want to make sure that you know everything about gond painting. Just do a little bit of introduction of what is a gond painting. Gond paintings are a form of painting of from folk and tribal art that is practiced by the one of the largest tribes in India, with whom it shares its name. And gond comes from the Dravidian expression that is gond, which means the green mountain. And there's a lot of nature related flora and fauna drawings in these paintings. And there's a lot of in these paintings, they are created by a lot of series of lines, dots and dashes intricately, and they are very, very beautiful. These traditional paintings, the gond paintings, were done on mud walls before, with colors that were extracted from the natural materials like soil, charcoal, cow dung, leaves, flowers. So this is how they used to do in the back days, and it's a very beautiful kind of form of art, and this is the traditional art of India. And the gond artists, they use the paper and sometimes the canvas as well, but mostly they use this handmade paper. But unfortunately we don't have that, so we are using a normal paper that we have at home. So as you can see, so the main part, the crux of the whole painting is in the patterns that you make, and that I just, like I told you, there's a lot of dashes, dots and lines, which there's repeated patterns like this. This is the difference in this gond and the Madhubani painting. This is how you differentiate between them. There's a lot of difference in the patterns that they use in these paintings. So just keep watching. Let me finish the whole this pattern, the filling in between. And if you like to change the colors or the deals, you can. That it's not a Don't No need to just stick to these colors only. You can choose different browns and oranges and different kind of colors, and make sure to do these dots and dashes repeated pattern. Very easy, and it will look so good when you will put it in a frame. And just trust me, it will gives the whole home a very traditional and a very raw feeling. So, as I told you, in folk art of India, there are lots of different kinds of folk arts, as there are a lot of districts and states, and most of them have their own traditional history and backgrounds. So, everyone has their different folk arts. So, there are some popular folk arts in India, especially that, like the one I told you last time, like Madhubani painting, that is from Bihar part, and the worldly paintings are from Maharashtra, and there's one more Kangra painting from Himachal Pradesh. And I would love to know more about this Kangra painting from Himachal Pradesh, because that is where I belong to, and that is the state I belong to. And there's more different kind of paintings like Tanjore art, Nirmal paintings, Patachitra, lots and lots of, and I would love to know about every one of them. They are so beautiful. And there's one from Gujarat which is made with these modeling clay, which they call, I guess, lippan art. And so there are like so many different art forms, and I want to make a kind of a series of videos on different art forms, and you'll know how beautiful they look. And there's so much traditional, and you feel more connected to your culture and these your heritage with these paintings. And I love the colors and patterns in them. I love them. So guys, just I think it's finished now. Only thing that is left is to put it in a frame. You can choose a A4 size paper instead of A5 if you don't like it, but I had my frame was a little bit smaller, so that's why I chose this A5 paper. And as you can see, this is how it looks. So it's I'm gonna hang it somewhere in my home, and it looks so good, and I wish I'll make more like this. And if you will do, please do share with me your pics and everything on Instagram as well. And do give me your views on this painting. If you like to make me, you would want to make me draw something very that you want, just share your views guys, and do click on the bell icon, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Till then, bye bye, see you next time.